Hey, what is up guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video I'm going to be creating a blog website, and I'm going to test myself, like how fast can I create a blog website. So actually we had an assignment for a political science class to make a blog about civic engagements. So I was planning on making a blog website. So let's see how fast can I make it. It doesn't have to be super advanced. I'm going to make everything basic. And it's just testing me like how fast can I code a whole website. So let's get started. Hit the timer on. Okay, we're gonna open a PowerShell. We'll say Django admin start project whole blog. Okay, we'll run the migrations, and then we'll migrate. Okay, let's create super user. Admin. Okay. Okay, let's run the server and check real quick. Okay, so we'll do localhost. Oh, it's not gonna work. Oh yeah, it's working. Okay, so that started our project. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Okay, we'll just open Visual Studio Code over here. And then we'll go to the settings, add main as the install apps. Okay, that's good. And sorry, let's just do static root os dot best directory with sorry, let's do static. Oh, it's os.path.join. I think we had to open OS as well and import OS. Okay, so os.path.join. Okay, that's good. Let's go to URLs. We'll copy this and then we'll import include. And we are going to include all the URLs from the main, so it doesn't have to be routed to a specific sub URL. We'll just do main.urls. That's good. Let's create urls.py over here. Let's paste it over here. We don't need this one. We don't need this. Let's say path. This is for the home page. Views.home. Name is home, and we'll just create a app name, and it's going to be main. And then we are going to import the views. Okay, let's create the main view. Define home request return render request index.html context. Okay, we'll define our context over here. It's going to be empty for right now. It's request. Okay, that's the spelling mistake over here. So now we will open a new folder saying templates. We'll make another folder saying main. We'll create a new file base.html. Another one is going to be index.html. Okay, we'll just say h1 welcome to the blog, and let's run it. Okay, run server. Let's reload it. It says welcome to the blog. All right, we are good right now. Okay, let's set our models real quick. It's going to be class model models.model. Sorry. Okay, we need the title of the blog. It's going to be models.character field. Max length is going to be 250, and we'll set index equals to true. It's a good practice. So we'll just do description equals models.text field, and max length is going to be, let's say, 2000. Okay, so there you go. Description, we'll just set index equals to true as well. And then we'll say image URL is going to be models.url field. Null equals true, blank equals true, and max length is 2000. Okay, so we got the image URL. What else we can add over here? For right now, let's just do string return self.title. Okay, we don't need a category, but we'll just add like tags. Models. Let's not create any of that. Okay, let's just make it a bit decent. Class category models.model, and then it's gonna be category is models.char field. Max length is going to be 250, and index equals true. Okay, so define string self return self.category. Okay, and then we'll just give this category, and it's going to be foreign key of category on delete models.cascade. Okay. So that's the do. Let's go to admin. We'll just do from models import everything, and it's going to be from .models. Okay. Admin.site.register. It's going to be category, and admin.site.register is going to be blog, or what was it? This is model. It's going to be a blog. So that's what happens when you try to code real quick. Okay. Let's clear it out. Make migrations. Okay, we got index. Line 6 models by line 6. Okay, I don't think this works with this one. Okay, let's try to do this one again. Make migrations. Okay, line 13 got index. I don't think it does accept index. Okay. Yeah, I don't think it does right now. We'll take a look at it later. Let's just go ahead and create a basic one. Okay, manage.py migrate. Okay. Okay, let's run the server. Okay, we'll just go to admin and enter our credentials, and there we go, blogs, categories. Okay, let's add categories. Civic engagement. Okay, I hope that's correct. Okay, now let's add a blog. We'll just say civic engagement, civic engagement February 24. Hey there. And we don't need to add that one. Okay, that's good. Now let's work on the design now that the database has been created, and once the design is created, we can, create a form or whatever. So let's go to Bootstrap for designs. Let's just use example Bootstrap designs. Is there any blog designs over here? Carousel, sign-in, sticky footer, Jumbotron. Okay. Bootstrap for blog templates, free download. Okay. Color lib, and we don't need one with a lot of images. And we could add images, but we don't really need it. You know what? I'm just gonna design it myself. Bootstrap 4, we don't need this. Let's just add the CDN. We'll just get this one real quick and then go to base.html, paste it, and blog content and blog. Okay. Then we'll just do load means that extend, my bad. It's extends main /base.html, and then it's going to be block content and block. Okay. Now here I'll add welcome to the blog, and let's see if it worked. View website. Okay, it's the Bootstrap design over here, and we'll just get rid of this one. Add a navigation bar. Okay, nav bar. We'll just copy this one real quick, and it's going to be under base.html. There we go. And reload. There you go. And we'll just add our name, and it doesn't have to be light. We'll just do dark because I like the dark theme. Yeah, and it's gonna be dark. Okay, this works. Looks good. Okay, instead of navbar, we are going to add bake home. We'll just do blogs. And I think this would be it. We don't need a disable button over here. Blogs drop down. Okay. So we are going to add it in the blogs thingy. Okay, the home page we can modify it. And let's go to index.html. Welcome to the blog. View to a pie. Okay, let's retrieve all blogs. Let's just retrieve in the home page. Blogs is blog.objects.all context. Blogs, and let's import from .models, import everything. Okay, index.html, we'll just create a container, card body, and 3 dot title, let's say all blogs, and then we'll just do for blog in blogs and blog n4, my bad, n4. Okay, so we are going to create a card in each of these. Let's do div.card, div.card body, hitting 3 dot title, we'll say blog.title, and then we'll just do a href hashtag, and we'll just do read more. And then after each of the blogs, let's just add a hr. There you go, civic engagement. Okay, let's go ahead and add one more block to see it in action, excuse me. Okay, we'll just do my test blog. This is a test blog, and then save it and reload it. See, it looks pretty good. Read more civic engagements on blogs. That's good. Now we'll create a details page. Okay, define details request, and we need to access by ID, and blog equals to blog.objects.get ID equals ID. Context is blog. So I'm not explaining any of these because this is for me. I'm just trying to, code it real quick. Request / details.html, but it's fairly simple. You can just follow along with the video if you like. If not, then you can just, see the video. Details.html. Let's just be real quick. Let's copy this one, details, paste, and block. Okay. and we'll say div dot container, div dot card body, heading 3 dot text center. We'll just do blog dot title, and then we need a paragraph tag, and we'll just say class is led, and then we'll just do description. Okay, and let's add a link in the index page, and we'll just do URL main details blog.id, so that way we can get specific details. Let's reload it. No details found. Okay. We haven't added in the URLs. We'll just do path. We'll do details / specifier is our ID. Views.details, name is going to be details. Okay. Let's try that one more time and read more. There you go. Service engagement, February 24. Hey there. My test blog. Okay. Let's just add some more details over here. Lorem ipsum. Okay, let's just copy it. Let's just copy a bunch of text. And we'll just paste it over here, save it. What does it say? Please enter the, okay, test 2006. Okay. Okay. I think we need to add some more. There you go. Reload my test log, and there you go, my test log. It's pretty good, isn't it? If we add an image, it's going to be better at least. And then we'll just go ahead and see what else we can do over here. Let's fix up the routing in the base.html. Maybe it's going to go to the home page. It's going to be URL main home. Okay, it's going to take me to the home page. I had a phone call, so I had to pause the video. So let's just dive right in. Okay, it's working. Let's add it to the home page as well. Let's copy it and then paste it over here. Okay, let's reload it. Go over here, home, it's working. It's working. Okay, let's add a forms.py. Okay, there we go. From Django import forms class blog forms dot model form class meta model is gonna be blog, and then else is gonna be, oh, I think that's what it is. I forgot. Python manage.py. Okay, let's run server. It will give a compilation error if it is error. Okay, it's not. So in our models, I forgot to add one more thing. That is the date equals models dot date time field auto now add. Sorry, it's gonna be auto now add is gonna be set to true. Okay. Just do manage.py, make migrations, Python manage.py, migrate, Python manage.py server. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then I'll add a blog defined add blog request, and we'll just see if the user is authenticated or not. That is authenticated. We'll just do, okay, the permission is granted. We'll just say form equals blog form, and let's import forms. import everything, and then we'll just pass in the value request.post or none, and form.is valid data equals form.save commit. We can just save it and then return redirect to main home. Okay, I think we need to add one more. I'm sorry. Okay, if request dot method equals post, and this goes inside over there. This goes a bit over here. Oh no, it's correct over here. Okay, if not, then form. Okay, form is gonna be blog form, and we don't need to pass in anything. Return render request main/add blog.html, and then let's just pass it the generic form. Okay. Else return redirect to main home. Okay, let's open URLs to the side, and we'll add the path to add blog. Okay, add blog. And it's going to be views.add blog. Name is going to be add blog. Okay, that's cool. And then we'll add it to base.html, and then we'll just do a little bit of quick thingy over here. We'll just do add a Jinja conditional template. We'll just say if request.user.is authenticated, then show this page, and if not, then we don't really need to show it. So we'll just do end if. And we'll say actions. We'll say add blog. And let's add the URL routing to it. It's going to be URL main add blog. Okay. Let's create add blog.html. Okay. Extends main/base.html. Okay, blog content and blog. Okay. Div container, div card body, getting 3.text sender is going to be add blog, and then we'll say form action. We don't need to specify that, it's done by the views. And then method is going to be post, and since we're using a post, we need a CSRF token validation, and then we'll do form.asp. We could use crispy forms, but we'll do it later if we have time. Type is submit. Sorry. And class is BDM danger. Okay. Okay, then let's see if it works, if there's any errors. Add blog, it says category, civic engagement, blog from forum. Hey, this is blog from forum. We don't need an image URL, submit. Blog from forum, and it's working pretty good. And we'll just add the edit and delete, and then I think that should be a pretty good website. Okay, edit blog. We'll just copy this real quick. We just need to be real quick, and it's gonna be edit is let's get the if request. We don't need a request to post. Edit blog. We need the ID of the blog, and then we're gonna say blog equals blog.objects.get ID equals ID, and then we are going to pass post instance equals blog. Request.post. If form is valid, form.data is saved. Okay, blog form instance equals blog. Okay, now let's add it over here, and we'll say path edit blog, and then we'll do int ID. We're going to say views.edit blog, and then name is going to be edit blog. And let's just add a button under the details to specify the edit button. Okay, ahref, and it's gonna be URL main edit blog blog.id class button warning edit blog. Okay, let's reload it. Go over here in blog. We'll just say form from the planet, whatever, and it says from the planet. Well, let's just add one more little detail. We'll just say redirect main.details, and then we'll just do ID. How about that? Let's see this from the planet. Let's move the planet, submit, and there we go. It's working. And now we'll add a okay, so edit, we need one more permission if the user is authenticated. That is authenticated, and then only you can do it. And if we'll copy it and paste it and do delete blog.id. We'll say danger delete. Okay, that's good. And then we are going to open URLs on that tab for right now. And let's just copy it and make it easy. Delete blog, and okay, we haven't created the view yet. I'm just gonna, pre-plan it. delete. Okay, that's good. Now let's create the view. Let's copy it, paste it, comment for later. Delete is block this. We don't need the request.post. Let's just remove this all. Blog.delete, and then we'll just return redirect to main home. Else return redirect. In both cases, we'll just redirect to home. Okay. There we go. Let's delete this block from form. Okay, it's been deleted. So that was a whole complete, website, a blog website. You could add so many features in here. You could like even search and everything. But I just wanted to create this simple blog website, and I wanted to see how fast can I do it. And I think it's just been like half an hour probably, and I think I did pretty good. So if you want to see the videos like this where I challenge myself to create websites and programs within a certain time limit, then please let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.